Hi guys, it's Allison. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about all the beauty favorites that I emptied this month. There's some really good ones in here, and some of these are my favorite products of all time. Everything will be linked on my Amazon storefront, per usual, so it's easy to find. I'm so excited to share these with you, so let's get into it. Starting strong with hygiene. I am such a hygiene girly. I love to smell good. I love to be super clean. I have tried so many feminine washes for down there. The one that I always come back to is the Honey Pot Sensitive Foaming Wash. It's amazing. It is gentle. It is non-irritating. Leaves you so fresh and clean down there. 10 out of 10. I personally love the EOS moisturizing lotions. These ones, they came out with a body butter. Stuff smells so good. It lathers on your body so incredibly well. It keeps you moisturized for the entire day, and they're safe for sensitive skin too. Sometimes my body doesn't react great to fragrance. These I never have a problem with. They are amazing. Next, we have a body wash. I am a girly who is obsessed with Baccarat Rouge. This body wash smells absolutely identical to Baccarat Rouge. It smells divine. I have to talk about this home find. On the topic of being obsessed with Baccarat Rouge, this wireless home diffuser will make your entire apartment smell like Baccarat Rouge. Oil even says Baccarat Rouge. You put the oil in here, you turn this on, and it is a wireless home diffuser. It lasts up to 8 hours. I had one of my friends go into Nordstrom's to try the Baccarat perfume, and she texted me after she tried this perfume and said, I just bought a perfume that smells like your apartment. If that isn't the biggest flex in the entire world, I don't know what is. Moving on to the skincare category. If you struggle with acne, or if you just really like to get your face super clean, you have to double cleanse. This is my 10th bottle of this stuff. I don't even know. This is the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. There are so many cleansing oils on the market that break people out. The reason is because those cleansing oils contain pore clogging ingredients. This one does not. From one acne prone girly to the next, trust me on this one, it is amazing. Next, we have Hypochlorus Acid. If you have never heard of Hypochlorus Acid, it is pretty much hand sanitizer for your face. If you work out a lot, or even during the summertime when you're just like tanning by the pool, or you're just like whatever you're doing and you're getting sweaty, spray this all over your face, and it's pretty much like washing your face without washing your face. I actually ride horses, so I'm wearing a helmet and I am sweating. Every single time after I ride, I spray this all over my face. This is the reason I do not have helmet forehead acne. Next, we have a hydrating Milky Toner. This one is so incredibly affordable. It works so well. It lathers and it soaks into the skin so nice. This one I use all over my face. I use it on my chest. I use it on my shoulders. I use it on my back. I kind of just use this stuff everywhere, and it's also acne safe. Next, we have Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. There is no other lip sleeping mask on the planet that compares to this one. You put this on before you go to bed. You wake up in the morning, it is still on your lips. I love to go to bed with a lip stain because I just love waking up in the morning with my lips tinted, and I just feel pretty when I wake up. Lip stains can be drying, so after I do my lip stain, I will put this on top, go to sleep, wake up in the morning. My lips are moisturized. I have my lip stain on. A little goes a long way with this product, so the fact that I have finished the jar really just says something. I love the smell too. This is the vanilla one. Final three products, we have the Lumify eye drops. I was a girl that used to use clear eyes all the time. These are so much better for your eyes. Having really white eyes and a really pretty makeup look, really pretty eyeliner, it just makes your makeup and just makes your face pop having really white eyes. So love this thing. It is expensive, but you'd be surprised how long it lasts. My favorite setting spray in the entire world. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 36-hour setting mist. This setting spray is pretty much my best friend in the summertime. The only thing that keeps my makeup in place in the hot sun when I'm sweating is this stuff. I will also wear this when I go to horse shows. At horse shows, I love to wear makeup like this, but I have a helmet on. I am sweating, and my horse show pictures turn out phenomenal because of this setting spray. I'd be a mess if I did not have this setting spray. Last and final product is a lip stain. I am a lip stain fiend, okay? I love a freaking lip stain so much. This is a lip liner lip stain. This is from CoverGirl. Everyone really loved the Huda Beauty lip stain lip liners. They are an amazing product, but these are pretty much the same thing for $8 instead of, I think the Huda Beauty ones are like $30. That's a lot of money for a lip liner lip stain. I would say pick up this one over the Huda Beauty ones just because of the price. it's pretty much the same thing. And the shade range of these, ooh, they have some really nice colors. That is everything for my monthly empties, monthly favorites video. I hope you guys love this video. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this or what kind of videos you want to see on this channel. I love just teaching the girlies little tips and tricks, whether it's makeup, beauty, hygiene, hair, life advice, literally anything. So let me know what kind of videos you want to see and I'll make them for you. And that's it.